Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can replace text in a photo in Photopea, so let's get right into it. Now, just for an example's sake, this is, by the way, a image, which is just screenshotted off of Photopea, and this is just one solid layer, but I'll show you how to do it in both ways. Now, if you load up a PSD, and it already has some text in it, and it is saved as a PSD, what you need to do, let me just, for some reason it doesn't want to deselect this. What you need to do is just double click on the text layer, and it should allow you to edit it however you want. What you can do then is just delete the text you would like to edit and just enter another piece of text. Now, if we're talking about a solid background, which you cannot change like that, what you can do is click on the magic wand and hold shift and select select all the letters themselves, such as this. While you're holding shift, make sure you select all the letters that you want to change, and once you do this and select everything, you will then fill it in with a content aware filter. Now, as you can see, because of the cursive, this is having a bit of a problem. However, I'll just speed up. It doesn't really matter how much in detail I go, you'll get the point anyway. And once you select everything, if you want to make sure that all the letters are completely selected, you're just going to select, modify, expand, and add 1 or 2 pixels. I'll just add 1. And once you do this, all you need to do is go into edit, go into fill, make sure content aware filling is selected, and click OK, and it'll create new textures based on the background. Now, as you can see, it is not as good as it could be, and to fix this, you just need to go into the spot healing brush tool and select the spots that are not very good. Just give it some time to load up, and as you can see, it will just delete the text. Now, what you can also do, once you have done this, you can just also add a text layer and add the text over the space where it was. Make sure to select the proper font just so that it is the same, and then you can just add it there and move it to its correct position or wherever you want it to be, and just save it, and that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.